he has a master's degree. So I went behind him and then spoke to the wife and said, what is this degree about? And the wife said the degree is an MSc. And I said, what MSc is it? He said, master's degree in situations and circumstances. So for me, and I said, what are the modules that he actually that's the subject. He said, selflessness, somebody who is bold, and practical approach to solutions. So I decided to come with him because I know that every season needs a certain leader, and that's the leader we will in 2020. So today we are here not to campaign, but we are showing our intention. When the time comes, we'll come with a good message. I know a lot of people, a few people are going to contest, or we'll come with a message that will penetrate the minds and the souls of Ghanaians for us to come back to power in 2020. I thank you all, and I commend you for watching. God bless you.